2-ingredient truffles. This is so simple. Absolutely love it. We've got our sweetened condensed milk. Baking cocoa. This is unsweetened baking cocoa. You want 1 cup. You're just gonna sift it so that, see all those lumps? Just so all the lumps get out. They'll come out. It's just making them smooth. See? Isn't that glorious? All right, and then we're gonna stir this together. Okay, I splat it all over because I didn't use a big enough bowl. What I would do is next time use a larger bowl like this. I don't know what I was thinking. I hadn't had enough tea this morning yet, dear. Tea break. Refreshing. Okay, back to the... Okay, so you just want to get this all mixed in nice like that. Look, doesn't that look delicious?
Yes.
All right, now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it set up for an hour or 2 till it's really firm, and then we're gonna make our truffles. Okay, I've got my 2-ingredient truffles here. Take a little spoonful, roll it into a bowl, just like that. Roll it into your cocoa. And there you have your truffle.